So hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about permutations and combination. As a human being, we have evolved so much. Like in earlier days, we used to do long calculations. But now, with the help of mathematics and logics, we have derived formula for that. Similarly, permutation and combination, we are going to learn how many different ways possible to do any task. Okay, initially we used to count it manually, that is known as fundamental principle of counting, but from there we have derived a logic. Earlier in 17th century, a mathematician who was French known as Blaise Pascal, who is also known for inventing calculator. Yes, he gave us idea how to calculate fast and very accurate without doing mistakes. So now let us study about few basics about fundamental principle of counting. So basically in fundamental principle of counting, we are going to deal with two rules. First one, multiplication rule, when we apply multiplication rule. Second is addition rule, where to apply addition rule. So let's see for the first, that is multiplication rule. In multiplication rule, what we are going to do is multiply the number of ways, but for that we have to understand when we are multiplying and what is the condition under which we are multiplying. Suppose if a work A, we have a work A which can be done in m ways. Suppose I am doing any work that is A and it can be done in m ways, m different ways. Another work B which can be done in n different ways. Okay, now there is another work C, and C is the work which will be completed only with completion of A and B. Whenever we are getting AND to complete a task, so for there we have to multiply. Keep these little things in our mind, that whenever we have AND, we have to multiply the number of ways. So now C is the work that is completed after the completion of A and B. So the number of ways of doing the work C is m into n, or I can complete work C in m into n different ways, where m is what? Different way in which I can perform A individually, and where n is what? The different number of ways in which I can perform B separately. So in another word, if an operation can be performed in m different ways, and corresponding to each of these there are n different ways in which another operation is performed, then the operation can be performed total in m into n ways. Now let us see some application of multiplication rule. Suppose the question is, there are 3 stations. So we have 3 stations named A, B and C. 5 routes for going from A to station B. So there are 5 ways in which we can reach from A to B, and 4 routes from B to C. So there are 4 routes from B to C. Now you have to find the total number of different ways through which a person can go from A to C via B. Suppose this is station A, this is station B, and this is station C. So from A to B, how many ways do we have? 5 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are 5 different ways through which we can reach to B from A. And now from B to C, it's given there are 4 routes. So let's say 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now we have to solve what is total number of ways we can reach from A to C via B. In multiplication rule we have seen if the task is performed in two different ways, okay, two separate ways. So we are performing the task of reaching A to C in reaching A to B and B to C. So A to B we can perform in 5 different ways and B to C we can perform in 4 different ways. So from A to C via B we can perform it into 5 into 4. The total is 20 ways or 20 routes are possible for reaching A to C via B.